Hi guys, jadi hari ini we're starting the vlog in Boy William's house. This is my first time here, bagus banget rumahnya. So this is the set for UNBW. It looks so cool and I just woke up from a nap, so still a little bit serak. So now I'm wearing this outfit. Fun fact, aku nggak pernah pakai seragam ini karena aku sekolahnya nggak pakai seragam ini, guys. Your dog looks super similar to my. Gue kaget tadi, what's my dog doing here? Yang Maltese mirip banget.
Maltese. Your student enemy is your own husband.
Oh my gosh, kayaknya dia lebih pinter dikit sih, tapi kita lihat ya hari ini.
We'll see who's gonna win this, alright? 21 dibagi 3 dikali 7 sama dengan
49.
Yeah! What? Your math is legit.
No. Kita nggak pernah pakai seragam ini dulu.
Right. You guys never had this? No. Where was your school?
Gue SPH sama Gaius.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, we have got Gaius on the show!
I'm gonna retire. 1,040?
No, I'm just...
Yo, abis syuting konten UNBW.
Yeah, how was it? Was it scary?
It was pretty scary. Gue takut banget dihujat orang kayak ternyata Titan bego.
You're actually smarter than most guests that we have.
Oh wow, okay, that is a compliment.
Your husband was maybe not so.
You can take it, you can take it.
Damn it.
Sekarang kita lagi di Boy William's house.
Yeah.
Bagus banget rumahnya.
Thank you.
Estetiknya mirip banget sama 3 house. Kita sukanya juga a lot of glass.
Oh, you like it?
Wood, marble.
Right. I like it. I wanted a Twilight looking house, you know? Like
Yeah.
somewhere in the bush.
Same.
That's exactly what we
You
said.
got Twilight.
Yes.
Kita juga
And then
bilang.
our contractor was like, are you sure your husband will be so hot?
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Aku lagi di event di beer hall, biasa di sini untuk minum-minum bareng. Ternyata di sini bisa ngadain event juga. Glowing even prettier in real life. Real testy, I must say. Real testy. No fake. Ini testimonialnya Bano Bagi ya, klinik Koreanya ya. No, ini testy for your mom and dad. You too, you're so beautiful and dia wangi banget in real life, guys.
Lol, oh my god, I read this TikTok yang katanya if you wear perfume, spray it 7 times so people comment on it, and I'm like, it's worth it.
I spray 9 times.
Iya.
Lu nggak mau komplimen gue?
Gila, tadi gue kira lu jalan Stella jeruk tuh.
Tanya-tanya tentang tas ini lucu banget, guys, lihat deh. Dari koper nih, tas yang tidak buat apa-apa. Jadi isinya cuman ada lipstick katanya. Coba what's in my bag? What's in my bag? Kita buka ya, pemirsa. Udah nggak ada lagi. Terus barang-barang lainnya nggak ada. Di mobil. Oh, di mobil. Ada tas pinter. Ini girl logic. Girl
ojek.
Ternyata yang kerja di sini follower aku. Halo yuk. I love my outfit for the talk show today at Mall of Indonesia. Sebenarnya simple. I'm wearing a sparkly top from Cali. Ini luarannya dari This Is April. Celananya dari Aritzia. My MUA Yoshi did my hair. And I did my own makeup. I love this type of look because it's casual tapi lebih elevated gitu. Itu kayak aku banget. Aku nggak suka baju yang nggak nyaman dipakai soalnya. Karena kita tibanya pagi, jadi kita sempet-sempetin untuk shopping. Kita sekarang lagi di Uniqlo. Yeah, they're skinny, dude. Too skinny. Skinny jeans are out.
It's too long. Secondly, this is too tight.
You look like Michael Jackson. Too tight again.
It doesn't show your butt, doesn't show your leg definition.
Fit check. Lumayan simple sih outfit aku hari ini. Aku dapat dari FLPO, kayak online shop di Instagram gitu. Fit check. We saw a Thai TikToker say fit check, and now we can't stop saying it. Pamer lip gloss aku. Ini warna yang belum launching lip gloss di second date. Tapi tentunya di bawahnya aku ada pakai lip tint dan lip liner juga ya. Tapi lihat deh glossnya sendiri. Cakep parah.
Mr. Park tonight, my first time.
Yes, it's also my first time, and this is their newest branch in SCBD. Gede banget, bener-bener kayak segedung gitu guys, lihat deh.
From what I know, this is like a new area actually. They're trying to develop this place.
Oh, this
There's like a
complex.
few golf places around here actually. And restaurants lah.
And what's your next sentence?
My sentence is I'm hungry, let's go Mr. Park.
Moment of truth, cobain gopchangnya. Soalnya aku belum pernah cobain yang aku bener-bener serak gitu. Aku sukanya yang agak crispy dan kering. Dia wangi banget sih. Dia tipe yang dalamnya ada isiannya, yang mushy gitu, that I don't really like. Tapi kulitnya sendiri enak, chewy dan sedikit garing. Halo. Lucu. Kasih apresiasi seni. Ya, kasih.
Udah donate.
It's Monday morning, so my mood is a little bit sleepy, tapi energized juga sih karena hari ini kita mau collab bersama Astariri dan juga Devienna, teman-temanku, dan kita akan jadi penguin bertiga. Kita hari ini syuting di Bundaran HI. Aku nungguin mereka di Cork and Screw biar kita nggak nunggu-nunggu pas di Bundaran HI-nya panas dan lagi berpolusi juga kan sekarang ini. Gimana nih guys, tim aku tuh super malu. Kasih lihat tangan aja nggak? Hai. Triple penguin.
Join the penguin family.
Ini YouTuber semua nih, YouTubers.
Ya, gua
Lu udah?
Instagram.
Oh, lu udah Instagram ya sekarang? Aku udah sering banget video rame-rame di publik kayak gini. Kamu pernah?
Sebenarnya sih nggak yang sering juga. Cuman kayak ya udah aja. Nggak peduli aja gitu. Kalau Devienna pertama kali perdana. Lumayan.
Jadi caranya gampang banget kalau misalnya kalian mau jadi penguin, literally cuman white t-shirt yang gede, baju hitam, long sleeve, udah gitu doang.